In this video, we'll show you the electric pedal assist from Surrey Bikes, what it is and how it works. In a separate video, we will show you how to install an e-kit for an electric pedal assist on an existing bike. This bike already has it pre-installed from Surrey Bikes. Here you see we have an electric pedal assist installed. It is a rear hub motor on the driver's side of the bike. There is a battery box that will sit underneath the bench. If you get one pre-installed from us, it'll come with LED headlights that are wired to the battery and can be controlled from the center display. Note that there is no rear fifth wheel. This is an integrated hub wheel. Now let's take a look underneath the center floor plate. You see we've removed these 4 bolts here, and the floor plate can be lifted up, and you see the wiring box underneath the floor plate there, which contains all the electronics. This silver box is your ESC, your electronic speed controller. It's kind of the main brain controlling the power going to the bike. These are terminal blocks here that just make all your wire connections. There's 2 stacked on top. That's the breaker right there. This is the on-off switch for the main power coming in from the battery. So if you reach behind, or sometimes you stick your finger in there, you can flip that switch to turn the power on or off. You see we have these little clips here to make your connections. This is your main power line coming in from the battery into the breaker, through the terminal blocks, and then into your controller. These wires going back here go to the motor and pedal sensor. The wires coming out the front go to your headlights and your digital display. Now let's take a look from underneath. The wires coming back for the power and haul line going to your motor. Right here connect into the motor. This is a 1500 watt hub motor. You can see the brake components are very similar. The brake line is the same, but it connects to the bike differently with this little tab here that keeps the motor from spinning as it engages the wheel. The brakes connect the same and still function and work the same as the other brakes. Up here you see on the driver's side there is a pedal sensor. This is a cadence sensor to make sure that you are pedaling the bike. The motor will disengage within a second or two if you're not pedaling. You'll need just a little leg power to get the bike moving, but once it's going more than a few miles per hour, the motor will be pushing it faster than you can pedal. So you'll only be freely spinning your feet with almost no resistance on the pedals. Here's the digital display. Press the center button for a few seconds and that will turn the unit on. You can see you have your battery level indicator, your speed, gears, distance. Use the up and down buttons to go through the different gears or speeds, 0 through 5, with 0 being off and 5 is the fastest. If you hold the up button for a few seconds, you'll get a backlight display and turn on your headlights. And if you hold down the center button, you'll turn the unit off. Let's take a look at the battery box. Inside there are 5 12-volt batteries to give you a total of 60 volts with 32 amp hours. You have a charging port right here on the back that plugs into the charger that comes with the bike. It's a standard wall plug-in charger. You can also get lithium-ion batteries that are a little more efficient and lower cost on Amazon. With a single rider, the single bench bikes can get up to about 15 miles per hour and the double bench bikes around 10 miles per hour. This can vary based on the weight, terrain, slope, and wind conditions. The bike's range can get you about 30 miles on one charge on a new, fresh set of batteries, and the charging time is about 6 to 8 hours to fully charge your batteries.